Welcome back, viewers. You're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. Now, heavy rainfall has lashed Delhi NCR today, bringing relief from the humidity but triggering widespread waterlogging and massive traffic snarls across several major roads. These visuals show commuters battling flooded streets and overflowing drains as the capital continues to grapple with monsoon-related disruptions. All right, you can see how all these roads are waterlogged after just a few hours of rainfall. After a long gap, it rained heavily this day in Delhi NCR. Roads are submerged already after a heavy downpour in a short span of time. I'm going to go across to my colleagues from the ground to bring us situation of the ground reality. But for now, these are the visuals that we are coming up with. Let's take some other visuals of the rain fury that are also coming in from the national capital. These pictures are from Delhi's Sangam Vihar area, where heavy rainfall has led to severe waterlogging. Roads have been submerged, traffic has been disrupted, and commuters, as you can see, are facing inconvenience. You can see how these roads are submerged, and the cars are wading through these inundated roads. These are visuals from Sangam Vihar in South Delhi. And while these are visuals from Delhi, let's also get in a check of how Gurugram is doing. Heavy rainfall has once again exposed Gurugram's chronic civic infrastructure challenges as well. Several roads were submerged, they were waterlogged, traffic has been disrupted there as well, raising questions on authorities over drainage, urban planning. Residents say even moderate to heavy rain continues to bring the city to a standstill. Despite its rapid urban growth and high-value real estate, civic amenities remain under scrutiny after every monsoon spell. I want to go across to my colleague Arzu Seth joining us on this. Arzu, just take us through the situation that you're seeing in Delhi while you're out and about. How bad is the condition? We're getting in some visuals of roads that are completely waterlogged, inundated after just a few hours of rain, not even hours.
Well, yes, and in fact, right now we are in fact stuck in traffic, and we were at the road where the entire stretch of road was waterlogged. That we have in fact sent the report from the ground, and that was one of the posh area of national capital. That was the Khan Markets, Lodi Road, Lodi Estate, where the entire road was waterlogged. But right now, what we can see is the pumping machine has been deployed to pump out the water from the road, and in fact now the half of the road is still waterlogged, and the route has been diverted. There has been a barricade that has been put, and MCD employees also there to ensure that nobody cross from that particular route, and route has been done.
All right, Arzu, can you also take us through which areas that you know of are submerged really, where traffic has been disrupted?
Well, there are several areas that have been disrupted because of the waterlogging. In fact, if we talk about the Sangam Vihar, the Khan Markets, Lodi Road, Lodi Estate, these are the areas which have witnessed the waterlogging. In fact, some areas of the East Delhi also have witnessed the waterlogging issue. And as of now, the rainfall has stopped. But yes, it was heavily raining in the national capital. It was a cloudy weather since the morning, and because of the heavy rainfall, and in fact, we can clearly say the negligence of the government since several years. Because of which the national capital, every single year, every monsoon, the Delhi suffers from the same problem. There are waterlogged roads, and people have to cross those roads to reach to their destination, which is pathetic to see. In fact, what they are going through is pathetic. Yes.
All right, Arzu requested to stay on with me. We are also getting in latest visuals now from central Delhi, where a social media user has shared a video of waterlogged streets from his car. All right, that's the visual on your screens, viewers. Arzu, once again, talk us through these visuals coming in, and any traffic advisory that has been issued so far, or any other advisory if there are incidents of tree felling where commuters can stay precautious.
There are pictures, videos that are being shared on the social media. In fact, by the residents, by the people of national capital, showing the situation on the ground in their locality because of the waterlogging. And in fact, there are visuals that are being shared from the auto rickshaw, from their houses, and there we can clearly see the waterlogged roads, which is creating a lot of problem for those residents. The entire road has been waterlogged. The vehicles are being submerged in water, due to which they are also getting stopped in the midway, and because the water gets inside the engine, and suddenly the vehicle collapses. So definitely it's a very bad situation, but right now the situation is improving as the rainfall has stopped, and also the Delhi government has deployed the pumping machines at several key locations to pump out the water from the road in case of waterlogging in the area. Yes.